Making money on the internet might not be as easy as you think, but I'll be showing you how to do just that in a very simple way in 3 simple steps. So make sure you watch this video to the very end so you don't miss any points. Hello guys, it's Banwas right here. Good to have you. I make videos on possible and legit ways of making money online. If making money from the comfort of your home is your field of interest, then kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell as well. You will be the first to get notified when I drop such videos and to make the most profit out of them. So guys, in today's session of how to make money online, I'll be teaching you in very simple steps how you can get Ethereum for free. All you need is internet connection, a bit of patience, and also time. There won't be any need of you spending money or investing anywhere or even getting all those expensive gadgets for mining. All you need is to just make sure to follow this video to the very end and to also take seriously all the steps I'll be sharing with you in this video. The first step is creating wallet address with exchanges. Personally, I would recommend about 2 exchanges platform for you, and one of them is Binance. For the sake of newbies or learners, I'll be going through how you can sign up on these exchanges real quick. So this is Binance URL on the screen. Whenever you want to sign up with them, you can just search Binance on Google. It will bring you something like this. Now all you need to do is click on register now. If you don't already have an account with Binance, automatically the system will detect you're in Nigeria just like I am. Click on confirm. After that, you come to this page will be provided to you. Click on create personal account. Here you'll be required to input your email address and then to also set password. After you've done that, click on agree and then the next. Now after you've done that, a verification code will be sent to your email address. All you need to do is just go to the email address and click on it. Your email will be verified. Now the next platform is KuCoin. KuCoin is another platform. They also have very good and user-friendly platform. So all you need to do is search for m.kucoin.com on Google, or better still, you can download the application. After you've done that, you'll see a page like this, and then all you need to do is click on login or sign up. Having done that, a page like this will be provided onto you. Click on sign up. After seeing this page, all you need to do is use your phone number, or better still, you can choose to use your email address. In my own case, I will prefer to use an email address. So all you need to do is fill in this space, your email address. After putting your email address, make sure it's correct. A verification code will be sent to it. Go back to your email address, get the verification code. It's usually 6 digits. Paste it here and then send it, and that will be all. Okay guys, a quick one. Coinbase is also very good. Those who are in the US and other places who don't have access to Binance, Coinbase is actually a very good platform also, and I will advise everybody who is looking forward to earning this free Ethereum to also jump into it and also sign up with them. Why? Because some of the sites specifically want Coinbase. So all you need to do is click on get started. Click on get started right here. This page will be provided to you. Put in your first name, your last name, your email address, and then choose password and click on this. Then you create your account. Very important, guys. Alright guys, the second step is now to register on site where you will earn this free Ethereum, and one of the sites is called idleempire.com. idleempire.com is a platform that enables users to earn gift cards and cryptocurrencies completely for free. All you need to do is partake in the task and offers, watch videos, drive softwares, or play mobile games. It was actually founded in 2015 and has since been carefully crafted with the goal to maximize the value of your free time. Alright, as you can see here, we have some surveys that you can answer on daily basis. Then there's some offers that you can just check around. You also watch videos, and you can earn using the referral commission. For now, I've made videos and I'm left with about 100 points. Alright, now let me show you that this stuff is real, guys. Come to withdraw here. Once you're here, I'm going to show you how much points you need to have before you're able to withdraw. Just scroll down here. Do you see Ethereum? This is one of the reasons why I ask you to register for Coinbase, because guys, they specifically send your Ethereum to no other exchanger than Coinbase if it's Idle Empire. So once you've completed those survey and you have up to 1000 points, then you'll be eligible to withdraw. Guys, it's as simple as that. Another way you can earn from idleempire.com is by referrals, by sharing the links to idleempire.com. And guys, you can do that through WhatsApp, through Facebook, through Twitter, Instagram, anywhere you have friends. To further certify that this thing is legit, you can go ahead and check the leaderboard. This person has earned more than 432,000 points. 432,000 points, guys. And can you see, this person has earned more than 320,000 points. This person has earned more than 100,000 points. So guys, you see, it's actually very legit. To grind it all, let's go to similarweb.com to check the legitimacy of idleempire.com. We have it here. Good. Now, Idle Empire has a revenue of about 1.0 million USD, and this is the number of people that visit idleempire.com on almost a daily basis. And as you can see from similarweb.com, this website is safe. You can also get your facts from trustpilot.com. You can also search for reviews on YouTube on idleempire.com. Draw your own conclusion if it's something you could lay your hands on or try. You're not paying any money for it compared to how much time we spend doing almost nothing. You know, it's a good idea. Check it out. Okay, so our number 2 website where we can earn free Ethereum is called Letium.org. Letium.org. This is the first page you see by the time you go to Letium.org. Before I go further, guys, if you're finding value in this video, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and also turn on the notification button so you will be notified when I drop such videos. Alright, Letium.org is a freelancing platform which provides you with opportunity to work for cryptocurrency. You can easily get hired for multitasks to earn quickly. As we can see here, you can click on either I want to hire or I want to work, and for us guys, we'll be choosing I want to work. So all you need to do is just click on these 3 buttons here and then register. So after registering yourself, you should be able to see this page, either to switch to a freelancer or get started. Now click on get started. This page will be brought to you. You can click on I want to work. Based on what you do, you can just start listing your service on what you do, on what you think you can offer. So once you're here, you want to create a service whereby people will come on and then get to see your service and then want to engage you. So they'll ask you to make a title, and just like the one I make here, please you can make a better title, but this is just for example sake. Let's say the title, I'll make good standard graphic designs for you at a very reasonable price. Then on the description you can just put something like this: I make superb graphic designs and more. You will ask for the category of your service. Since I have chosen to make my service to be a graphic design, it's only wise that I choose graphic design here. Then the subcategory, what specifically do you do? Is it logo design, brand style guide, game art, streaming overlay, business session, resume design? And for example sake, I'll go with logo design. That's that. Then here you can upload a picture of your past work. After that, you click on next, and that will be all for this particular page. Now to show you that this thing is actually legit and you can easily withdraw your money or your funds, you go to this place, click on the 3 dots by the right hand side. There you see wallet, click on it. So once you're here at the wallet, okay, these are different currencies. We have cryptocurrency and then normal fiat currency, which is a USD. Now as you can see, we have DNT, DRNG, we have Ethereum here. When you click on more, what you'll see is trade, deposit, buy, transfer, and withdraw, guys. So this is actually a place where you meet the different people who are looking for people to hire to do jobs for them. Just like how Fiverr works, this is exactly how Letium.org also work. So what you need to do is just get a skill to do. It could be copywriting, it could be producing music, you know, anything. and then you come here, put down your service online, someone gets to see you, and then will direct with you, and you agree on what amount the person will pay, and through which means the person will pay. Possibly select Ethereum, and that will be all. So we won't stop here to plan it all. We'll go to similarweb.com to check the legitimacy of Letium.org. So here we are at similarweb.com. Letium.org, the headquarters is at United States, Mississippi, Madison, and they have daily visits of about 377.8 thousand people. And although the revenue of Letium.org is not stated here under similarweb.com, we can see from here similarweb.com certified this site as a safe website. Alright guys, so just like I said on the previous site which we checked, you can go back and do your own findings about them. Go to trustpilot.com, check on reviews about them, and then see if you can actually try something with them. This brings us to the third site where we can make money online. It's called Freecast.com. Freecast.com is a GPT site, which means gets paid to website that partners with some of the best offer wall and market research companies out there to provide you with the best offers and surveys that can be done in your spare time to earn coins. They have a 24/7 support that's always online. So Freecast is basically like idleempire.com. They have some tasks for you which you can complete, and after doing so they pay you out in Ethereum and several other means of payment. As you can see on my screen, it says $1 per 5 to 10 minutes, you know. And so all you need to do is sign up with them. Sign up, your email will be required, you create a username, password, and then you sign up. So basically after signing up, all you need to do is choose a task to complete. As you can see here, these are tasks that you might want to complete: research, surveys, and then offer walls. After completing your task, the next thing is you get paid, and then you receive your coins, and then you can cash them out, guys. So once you're done with that, then you need to cash out. You just go to cash out. These are various means which you can cash out your money. So they actually start paying you once you earn up to 10 cents. That's 0.10 cents to 10 cents you are able to withdraw, and you can do that through Ethereum here. So guys, that's basically it all. If you found value in this video again, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Turn on the notification bell so you receive notification whenever I post all the videos. Guys, please do subscribe. It's free, absolutely free. Remember, nothing works until you decide to take action. You can sit by and think this doesn't work without trying, but why don't you just give it a try? Nobody's asking you to put money anywhere, you know. Just give it a try when you're less busy, when you are having free time, instead of doing things that want to bring money to your pocket. Why not just you try these things? All right, this is just the website. All you have to do is sign up and follow all the instructions I've given in this video. Trust me, you will do well.